I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna learn about Kotlin ranges. So today we are gonna learn about Kotlin ranges, and today is gonna be very interesting. So without any delay, let's get started. Jab. Okay, so what? Let's see how to just create a range. Like a range is basically ranges in Kotlin create an iterable through which you can iterate, right? You can iterate through the iterable that range creates for you, and ranges basically creates iterables automatically, right? So let's see, like over here what we do, we can like over here do for chars in a dot x. So this dot syntax creates an iterable range iterable for us. So a dot x, this syntax will create a range iterable for us, and in that we will have letters from a till x, right? And chars is basically, so we are doing like an iterable will work any other array, like an iterable will work any other array in a for loop, right? So in chars first we will have a, then b, then c, then d, and all so on. So we're just printing over here chars. So whatever char we have, we should have named it char, not chars, char, right? So whatever character we have, a from a till x, that we will print, right? So over here we'll have letters printed from a till x. So this basically range, this is a range, this is called a range, a dot x, and it creates an iterable from for us on which you can loop, right? So you can loop through this range, and then basically the an iterable will work. Oh, there's an issue. Let's see what's the issue. I think we had to give single quotes over here. I think we have to give single quotes over here. For getting like letters, we need to give single quotes, right? Because these are characters, right? So iterable, when we give it a string, it does not know what to bring, but when we give letters, it knows that from the character a till character x. It does not identify a string, it identifies a character, right? So we are getting a b c d. That double quotes was creating a string, but single quotes is creating a character, right? So through single quotes we are getting a character over here, right? So that's where it's working, and this is how basically a range is created over here, right? This created a range, sorry, an iterable, a range iterable for us, right? And we can loop through an iterable, right? And every item is coming over here, every character one by one is coming over here, and we are just, for every character we are just printing it, right? Normal for loop. Now what we can do, we can do this for numbers also. So we can create a range iterable from like 5 till 15. So this will create a range iterable for us from 5 till 15, right? So this will create a range iterable for us from 5 till 15, right? And we are just looping through that iterable. So for in char, this should be num, but we just named it char. So in char first we'll get 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, and so on. right? So we had 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 till 15, right? So we had from 5 till 15 printed, right? And when we are creating a range, both the numbers that we give over here are inclusive. So in that range iterable, they both are included. So 5 and 15 are included, right? And yeah, now what we can do, we can check if a value exists in our range iterable, right? Like we do it with an array, right? So you can, in an array, you can check if a value exists. Similarly, with an basically an iterable range iterable also, you can check whether a value exists. So what we'll do, we'll just do val nums equals to, and in this we'll create a we'll save a range iterable, right? So we, in nums, we'll save a range iterable, and then we'll check if 2 in nums. So we'll check that if 2 is there in nums, like a normal like if statement, then print line like yes, right? Else if it isn't there, then print line no. So 2 is there, that's why it will show us yes, right? So we can in a range iterable also we can check if a value exists, like in a normal array, right? And like these are so handy, guys. Like instead of writing the whole ABC from A till X, instead of making an array in which you'll have to type all the characters from A till X, you can just do A dot x. And for creating an array in which you have to write all the numbers from 2 till 8, you can just create a range iterable from 2 till 8. So it speeds up your work a lot, it boosts your productivity a lot, right? So over here it is showing us yes, because 2 exists in our basically nums range iterable, right? Now we can when we are looping through an range iterable, then what happens, then basically you can break out at a certain condition, right? Like you do in arrays, you can break out at a certain condition and continue also at a certain condition with ranges, right? So we can do for nums in 5 till 15, right? So we are looping through this, and then we are checking if nums is equals to 10, then break out like any other iterable like an array, right? And when it's not 10, just print line nums. So we'll have 5 6 7 8 9, and then we'll have 11 12 13 14 15. No, we'll have 1 2 3 1 2 5 6 7 8 9, right? And it's not continuous break, so it will just break out of the loop. Sorry, I got confused. So we'll have 5 6 7 8 9. It's taking some time. Yeah, so we'll have 5 6 7 8 9, and we'll not have 11 12 13 14 15, because we are just like saying to terminate the loop in between, right? So this break keyword is just saying to terminate the loop in between whenever the num is 10, right? So it will terminate the loop at 9 after printing 9, right? So that's why we'll have numbers from 5 till 9. And we can also give a continue, like any, like how we give it to like any, we can give continue when we are looping on ranges like any other array. So whenever we are looping on arrays, we can give continue and break. Similarly with ranges also, range iterables, ranges that give return you the iterable object. In that for loop, when you're looping on that iterable object, then also you can use continue and break both, right? That's not an issue. So over here now we'll have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because it is just skipping. It's just over here skipping one iteration when it's 10, right? And then it directly jumps onto the 11th one. Sorry, not the 11th one, the 11th numbers iteration. So we'll have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we had it. And this is all for ranges, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Jai